Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problem for GMAT out of this book here, the GMAT review, the official guide. If you do not have this book, make sure that you purchase one immediately. If you're thinking about sitting for GMAT, don't waste your time and don't waste your money buying those other books on the market or different companies. I can't name their names. Those are all fake exams. If you want to practice on the real thing. This is the book that you want to purchase. You will find it at mba.com. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 173, problem solving, page number 154. Let's take a look at it. It says, and you have to have the book in front of you so that you can follow me. Turn to page number 173, number 154, and read the problem with me. An empty pool is being filled up with water at a constant rate. Alright, so we are filling up a pool at a constant rate, at a uniform rate, and we are told that it takes 8 hours to fill 3/5 of it. Alright. It takes 8 hours to fill 3/5. What is the question asking? Excuse me. How much more time will it take to finish filling the pool? Alright, how much more time? How much more time? They're not asking you how long it takes to fill up the entire pool from scratch. They're asking you how much more time. Pay attention to the wording. How much more time does it take to fill up the pool? Well, we know it's been going on for 8 hours. An empty pool is being full, an empty pool being filled with water at a constant rate takes 8 hours. How much more time will it take to finish filling the pool? Well, 3/5 is already full. If the 3/5 is already full, it's very apparent that we need to go 2/5. So basically what we have to figure out is, how long does it take to fill up 2/5? We know that it takes 8 hours to fill 3/5. Let's take a look at it. So I'm going to switch this thing because since we have to solve for time, I'm going to put the time on this side. So I'm going to rewrite it. We know that 3/5 is filled in 8 hours. Now, if I tell you that I have 3/5 of the job is done in 60 minutes, let's say, for example, I'm giving an example. How will you tell me how much do you suppose it will take me to do 1/5 of the job? If I tell you, for example, that I'm doing some job and 3/5 of it taking me 60 hours. Well, if 3/5 of it is taking me 60 hours, 1/5, I hope that you're able to see right away that 1/5 of the job should take 1/3 of the time. If 3/5 is taking me 60, 1/5 should take 1/3 of that amount, 1/3 of that time. That's what I'm going to figure out here. If 3/5 is taking 8 hours, and immediately as I find here that 1/5 will be filled in 8 over 3 hours. That's it. 1/5 is going to be filled in 8 over 3 hours. Because basically I took the 8 and I divided by 3. And since I had to fill 2/5, 2/5 should be filled in twice the amount. In other words, 16 over 3 hours. Let's see how answer choices are presented. The answer choices are presented into hours and the leftover minutes. So let's simplify this thing. 16 over 3 is same as, I know that 15 over 3 is 3, so it's 3 hours and 3 and 1/3 hours. 3 and 1/3 hours, or rather 5, sorry. You see how easy it is to be careless? Because 15 divided by 3 is 5. I hope 3 and 1/3 was not one of the answer choices. Luckily it's not there, 3 and 1/3. So that's it, 5 and 1/3 hour. And since they're presenting the answers into so many hours and so many minutes, we have to figure out this 1/3 portion in minutes. So how many minutes do you have in 1/3 of an hour? 60 minutes in an hour, 1/3 of an hour should be 20 minutes. So is 5 hours and 20 minutes. That's it. The answer should be B. There we go. 5 hours and 20 minutes. I hope you followed my logic. This was just an example. This is not related to the problem. I'm just giving an example to show you that if 3/5 of the job is taking me 60 minutes, how would I find out how long it takes me to do 1/5? Well, 1/5 should take me 1/3 of the time, because I did 3 times the amount, 3 times the work in 60 minutes. So one portion of that job should take me 1/3 of the time. Same thing here. Since I'm told that 8 hours, since I'm told that 3/5 of the job, 3/5 of the pool is being filled up in 8 hours, 1/5 must be filled up in 1/3 of an hour. Don't worry about what that is. Leave it alone for the time being. And then actually what I want to find out is, I'm not interested in how long it takes to fill up 1/5. I'm not interested in knowing how long it takes to fill up the entire pool from scratch. What I'm interested in is how long does it take to fill up 2/5 of the pool, because that's what the question is asking. How much longer it will take to fill it up completely? And we are told that 3/5 is already full. So 2/5 should take me twice that amount. 1/3 times 2, which comes out to be 16/3. 16/3 is 5 1/3. 5 1/3 hour, which is 5 hours and 20 minutes. I hope you found this helpful. If you wish to purchase my DVDs, in which I present to you the solutions to all the math problems in this book, there are about 400 of them, 250 problem solving questions, 150 data sufficiency questions. If you wish to purchase those questions from me, DVDs of those questions, or if you wish to hire me for personal private tutoring, I'm located in Connecticut. In either case, send me an email. Go to my website at www.prep4GMAT.com. Alright? Thank you.